and welcome back to Sizzling Delights. I'm your host, Chef Nix, and today we're going to dive into a Chinese favorite which we like to cook here in Jamaica, which is very easy to prepare and efficient, and it is the vegetable lo mein. So let's dive into it. Every lo mein consists of basic ingredients and various vegetables, in which the vegetables that I will be using today consist of cabbage, bell peppers, garlic, carrots, and onion. So we're going to go ahead now and prepare the sauce for the lo mein. The sauce consists of water, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're gonna mix that out. And make sure so there's no lump in it, alright? Oyster sauce for all the niceness, sweet and tangy. So get in your oyster sauce in it. Up next you have the hoisin sauce. Next thing again you add the sweetness. Full of Chinese thing like we come from down China. Xiong shong sheng. See me a deal. And then don't you forget all-purpose soy sauce, Still don't want to use too much of this because I don't know, the iron of sodium. Don't want the noodles salty. We're going to incorporate all of them ingredients here. I rest this aside, and at last we're going to pour into the noodles. So we come back to that. So come make we go fire up the griller now. So be sure to have the wok on medium heat because you don't want it too high to burn the vegetable. So we're going to go ahead right now and assemble the lo mein. So we're going to go ahead and add some pure sesame oil to the pot. Chiffon butter. We add the butter to it for flavor. The oil is there for the butter not to burn. So we're going to go ahead and add our carrots, our onions, our bell peppers, our garlic, and we're going to go ahead and saute it so that the vegetables may caramelize, such as the onion and the carrots, to add a sweet flavor to the lo mein. So once the onion and the carrots start to brown and to have that look, you know that the flavor is there. So we're going to go ahead and add the cabbage to it. I'm going to give one of them bad foot there again. Get your chef face, happy. So here we have the lo mein, which you boil until al dente. You don't want overcook, you don't want undercook for that raw flour taste. So this is basically egg noodles, but here in Jamaica, if you can't get egg noodles, spaghetti will do, or any regular noodle. Just freestyle your own thing, you see me? So we're gonna put this off in the pot now and incorporate everything with the sauce and plate. So I'm telling you something if you know. See, if you're not Chinese like me, see young Shang She, you don't know me, I teach you something. You see, anytime you pour sauce inside of a wok, be sure to rim it, you see me? Never you pour it all over the noodles. I give it a little test taste and I see what I go up on the banana leaf. So first thing first, I normally reach out when I eat with vegetable, cabbage and carrot to see if you have that crunch there, you see me? You hear that? So you see another fast promotion, you see me? Full of crunch, full of flavour. And you have the sweet and savoury flavour from the oyster sauce, you see me? So make you see where you know good them I deal with now. Not really a fan of noodle because I don't really love the starch, but I see what I'm going with it.